One of the biggest challenges with any product launch is determining the status of where the project is. Are tasks getting completed? Are we behind schedule in a given phase? Let's face it, with SOLIDWORKS Manage. SOLIDWORKS Manage is a set advanced data management tool that leverage the file management capabilities of SOLIDWORKS PDM, enclosed project process and item management capabilities. With interactive dashboard and report generation, the dashboard gives real-time reporting can be tailored per user and can display data in a variety of chart styles to help everyone to make sense out of complex data that is important to them. SOLIDWORKS Manage dashboard will help your team to gain real-time insight so they can make a great decision quickly. After reviewing my dashboard, I will straight over to project. From the list of project, I can get a deeper understanding of the project status of each. I can quickly consume project details through Preview tab at the bottom. Gantt charts can be created by templates that have key stages, means of work breakdown structure. Milestones. Once timeline created can be easily modified by drag and drop. We easily attach document or records with the task. We assign appropriate resources to the task to track the status of a project. Project stages can be modified by updating the percentage work completed on the stage, or can be driven by your team through the use of timesheets. Your team can select the project task they're working on and log time directly against it. This provides a powerful way of getting an actual time spent compared to the estimated time, and ensure a product is still on track for delivery. Consent for approval. Tasks are everywhere in SOLIDWORKS Manage. Include processes. It's not like data entry. In SOLIDWORKS Manage, process will drive the tasks of the project. So when process get done, it will automatically update the project progress. No need for manual entry of data. Finally, we see report generation of SOLIDWORKS Manage. I can run a quick report of the change at any time. There is no need to fill out documents, since everything was gathered along the way. SOLIDWORKS Manage can automatically send the same report to anyone to make sure nothing gets missed.